What's up and welcome to another episode of GizmoSlip. Today we've got the Galaxy Note 9 brand new, just unboxed this thing this morning.
Yeah.
We're gonna be dropping this sucker in a giant sushi roll. So we're here at the Asian market. We're gonna get the ingredients for the sushi. We're gonna home make that. We're gonna become sushi chefs.
I'm gonna eat some sushi.
He can eat some sushi. Not me. Shout out to Supcase for sponsoring this episode. We're gonna be dropping a second Note 9 inside of a case to see if the case can also help protect it beyond just the sushiness protecting it. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
It's gonna be freaking epic. Let's get started.
I've seen my mom struggle for hours trying to make sushi. No joke. So, this will be good.
Oh my god. The best snacks ever.
I don't know what any of them are, but
Really?
they have to be good.
You're gonna try some. You're gonna love them. Is there a cart? Oh, there is. I have never seen a cart shaped like this before in my life.
It's great.
Pickle Rick!
Pickle Rick!
Pickle Rick!
Right, that's great.
I'm pretty sure this is the small one. But what's the difference? We'll get 3 of these because we're making a giant sushi roll. Is this as big as they come? But there's like 7 kinds. Which one do we pick?
I have no clue.
We could put Spam in it. By our powers combined, we'll make giant sushi! So we're trying to make a California roll, which means avocado, imitation crab because we're too lazy to cook real crab.
Pretty much.
Yeah. And cucumbers, I think. Rice, seaweed wrap, and all of that's gonna be wrapped up around the phone. This is gonna be interesting. Let's go ahead and get the Note 9s out.
Here we go. Here we go.
Look at that.
Finally got it up.
Ooh.
That's what she said.
I knew that was coming. I knew that was coming the moment I said that.
Do you not know? That's a
The
stylus.
golden stylus.
Yeah, real gold too.
Yeah, that's real gold.
That's why it's $1,000. Real gold. The phone's only worth like $20. The stylus is the $980. Go ahead and open up this unicorn beetle case. Drop protection, military standard, perfect grip, 360 protection, shock resistance, a multi-layer design, and you get a belt clip with it as well. So for those of you that rock the belt clip like Chad Meister here. Yep. So we got the front of the case right here, more plastic to take off. All right, and now we got the belt clip in the actual case here. Oh, it's got a kickstand built into it.
Oh, those are nice.
That is really, I love having a kickstand.
those.
Put the top on, then put the bottom in, and then the top flops right in.
There we go.
Nice. And this feels really protective. We're gonna start with a 10-foot drop onto concrete though with nothing, no sushi. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Oh.
It landed straight up.
Oh, and
And the
it
kickstand.
opened up its kickstand. It said, watch me do this again, son.
It looks in perfect condition except for some scuffing along the bottom here. This is a substantial case. I have no doubt this thing could survive a lot of drops from 10 feet.
Oh, yeah.
With no problem. So there you go, perfect condition Note 9 from a 10-foot drop onto concrete. Now if you just got the Note 9 and you're looking for a rugged case that is surprisingly affordable and has tons of features, look no further, this Sup case is where it's at. So what are you doing? If you need a case for your Note 9, go pick up one of these bad boys right now. Let's hop right back into this sushi drop test. Here we go.
Oh, it looks so much better.
It is like a burrito. Oh my god, it's huge!
This is not good. This is...
No, it's falling apart.
Where's the killer thing?
There we go.
Oh my god. Okay, I think this is looking really good
Yeah,
now.
this is looking a lot better.
We're in business, I think.
Oh, I'm impressed.
Yeah, that actually
I-
looks good.
We got
Note 9 inside of the Sup case here. Here we go. Will this survive? Naked phone? Yes or no?
I'm giving it just a straight yes, a straight
Okay,
no.
I don't think the naked phone's gonna survive. This one, I think it'll probably live, but let's see.
yes for sure, 100%. Yes for 80%.
Post your opinion in the top right. Which of these two do you think is gonna survive? Let's go ahead and drop test these bad boys. Here we go. We're dropping the one with the case. Okay, lift it up.
Dude, that one looks excellent.
Unraveling the sushi. This is without the case. Oh my god.
That's awesome. Okay.
All right. Oh! Here it comes at 5,000 frames per second.
Whoa.
Glorious.
That one hit so hard.
That was also flat.
It looked like a balloon hitting and expanding out, and then we get all these rice and crab and avocado and cucumber bits going everywhere.
You just need a face down there to catch it. Just
we should have put you down. That was an awesome sushi explosion. Let's take a look at the other Phantom clip. Here comes that sushi.
Here comes the sushi.
Oh,
that just
my god.
That was like a perfect impact too.
Explosion.
Yep.
Dude, it just came completely apart. Crab, cucumber, avocado, rice, seaweed, everything.
There's the phone.
There's the phone.
There's the phone.
It did well.
There wasn't a lot of recoil either. Like it feels like almost all of the energy was just like immediately
Splattered.
dispersed into the rice.
That sticky rice.
Jeez, that is an awesome slow-mo shot. All right, well, let's go see if these phones are alive or dead. Okay, let's find out what happened. We've got the Note 9 in the case. Pull it out. Whoa!
Oh, we got some juices inside.
Woo, man.
Mushed. I love how there's like cucumbers inside of the lining of the case.
I know, right? It's like the case tried to eat some of the sushi. Oh, the back is looking pristine. Check it out, it's looking great. It literally looks like 100% perfect condition except for some of the sushi I got on it. Oh, it's looking pretty good. The back is not shattered.
It looks disgusting though.
It is absolutely
Comparable.
covered. Believe it or not, the sushi actually proved to be a pretty good overall case. I'm actually psyched because I didn't think sushi was good.
Yeah, right? From 100
I was like,
feet.
dang, that is a gnarly fall. Like, we should get these things actually washed off and see if we see any damage on either one
Any
at all.
micro cracks.
Yeah, micro cracks or anything, because it's really hard to see any kind of damage right now.
Is that waterproof?
So there you go. This Note 9 is in 100% perfect condition. This is the one that was in the case, and we can just drop it right back in the case. And on top of that, the case itself is also in 100% perfect condition. It looks brand new right now. Functions just like brand new too. And the great thing about this is that it's an affordable $20 case for your Note 9. I mean, that's ridiculously cheap for such a rugged case in my mind. I'll link in the description if you want to pick up one of these awesome Note 9 cases. And this guy, this one without a case was damaged right here with some scuffing and scratches, but overall it's in pretty good condition as well. Another scratch right there. Yeah, right there, some significant scuffing. So there you go, 2 giant sushi rolls, 2 Note 9s. What did you think? Let us know in the comments down below. Pretty freaking epic sushi rice explosion.
Oh, absolutely, man.
Freaking awesome. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Brandon and Chad and Darren, who's cleaning up while we're doing this. Out!
See ya.